Model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2 130 Engine Euro 6 No VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 166334. MOT, the 9th of October 2024. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, sat-nav, 2 keys, electric windows, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119